Hello guys, today I do have the REDMI Note 15 5G and I'm going to tell you what to do if your fast charging isn't working on your device. The first thing that I would recommend checking is if you do have the compatible charger and the cable to this phone. So what I mean is that if you do have some, for example, charger from Temu or AliExpress or some other website but not that good, and you paid, for example, 10 times less than normal charger should cost, or bought a cable from the same same place, these are not safe things actually. It's because these chargers don't have usually the certificates that, for example, US or UE require them to have, and they they are just telling you they have them, but they don't, and they are unsafe. They just send wrong power to the phone, too much power or too little power, and the phone won't to handle that, and just don't charge fast, and it's just broken. And the same is with the cable, the same is with the everything, and it's just not safe or doesn't work. So don't buy 100 watt power charger on Temu or AliExpress. Just buy an original one, for example from Bezos, confirmed one from, for example, Xiaomi, confirmed one from, for example, Samsung, on every other producer, phone producer, of course. Apart from the compatibility, check for the damage. Check both charger and the cable for the damage. If there is any visible damage, you need to check for both the cable and the charger. Apart from that, here, as you can see, we do have the charging port. Prepare yourself a brush, and you can use a flashlight and take a look in this port. If you do see here some dust, or if it is just dirty, clean your port with a soft brush. Don't use maybe water or alcohol, just use a soft brush and try to clean it. It should work for you. If it didn't, you need to, at first, wait a moment, let me unlock my device and disable the dark mode. We need to at first go to the settings of our device, scroll all the way down to the battery, and now straight from here, tap here the charging options. Here tap water charging mode and set from standard to speed up. If you had it disabled, now it should work. But if you had it enabled, disable it to set to standard and enable it back again by setting the speed up. So that's how it works. Apart from that, you can check your phone charger with another fast charger, another power brick, or another power outlet. Do it, for example, outside your home, for example, in the workplace, in school, every other place where you are allowed to do so. Check if that works, and if it works, that's nice. But if it still doesn't, go back to the normal main menu of the settings here, and now here tap about phone. Here, as you can see, we have OS version, Android security update, Android version, etc. Here, if you do see that you have some update for your device, update your phone immediately, because it's maybe important, because there may be some fix for your system. But if you have no updates, no software updates available for your device, you need to contact device support, because your device and you're just broken and you need a new battery or a completely new phone. And as I said, that's it. Hope it helps you, and have a nice day. Goodbye.